everyone! Welcome to today's video. We're tackling a common issue many of you face when using Proteus for circuit design. Sometimes, Proteus shows an excessive CPU load error. This message can be very frustrating. It makes your simulation slow down or even completely stop. Today, we will fix this problem together. We'll go through several easy steps to get your Proteus running smoothly again. First, let's understand what excessive CPU load means. It simply indicates that Proteus thinks your computer is struggling. It believes it is using too much processing power. This can happen due to very complex circuits or specific software settings. We will address both possibilities. Our first quick fix is to update Proteus. Make sure your Proteus software is always up to date. Newer versions often include important bug fixes. These fixes can significantly improve performance. Check the official Proteus website for the latest updates. Next, you can adjust the simulation speed. Open Proteus and go to the System menu. Select Set Simulation Speed. Try reducing the speed. You can choose real-time, slowed, or even a specific slower factor. This gives your CPU more time to process the simulation. Another helpful step is to disable unnecessary features. Go back to the System menu. Look for Set Animation options. Turn off any animations you do not absolutely need. For example, you can disable Show Wire Current Flow. Also, disable Show Component Values if they are not critical for your current task. These visual animations consume extra CPU resources. For Windows users, you might want to check Processor Affinity. Open your Task Manager by pressing Ctrl+Shift+Escape. Go to the Details tab. Find the Proteus processes, usually isis.exe or aries.exe. Right-click on the process. Select Set Affinity. Ensure that all CPU cores are selected. Sometimes, it might be limited to fewer cores. Also, it's a good practice to close other programs. Before running a heavy simulation, close other demanding applications. Web browsers with many open tabs, video editors, or games can consume a lot of CPU power. Give Proteus dedicated resources for better performance. Now, let's talk about circuit optimization for complex designs. If your circuit is very large, it naturally requires more processing power. Can you break your design into smaller, manageable parts? Simulate these subsections first. Then, you can combine them later. Try to reduce the component count where possible. Use fewer components if an alternative exists. For instance, use a single 7-segment display driver instead of many individual logic gates. Choose simpler component models if they are available and serve your purpose. Finally, always check for oscillations or glitches in your circuit. Sometimes, the excessive CPU load error is a symptom of an unstable circuit. Rapid oscillations or unexpected glitches can overload the simulator. Carefully review your circuit design for stability issues. Look for floating inputs or potential short circuits. There you have it. These steps should genuinely help you solve the excessive CPU load error in Proteus. Please try them out. Let me know in the comments section if these solutions worked for you. Or, if you have any other tips that you use, please share them. Your feedback is always incredibly helpful to our community. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with anyone else who might be struggling with this Proteus error. Also, consider supporting the channel by subscribing. It helps us continue creating more helpful content like this for you. Thank you very much for watching today. See you next time.